Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the filter aids. The objective of filter aid is to prevent the medium from becoming blocked and to form an open porous cake, hence reducing the resistance to flow of filter aid. Filter aid form a surface deposit which screen out the solid and also prevent the plugging of supporting filter medium. Next, the characteristic of the filter aid. Chemically inert and the free from the impurities. Low specific gravity so remain suspended in the liquid. Porous rather than the dense so that the previous cake can be formed. Recoverable. Disadvantages. Remove the colored substance by absorbing them. Sometimes active principles are the such as the alkaloid are absorbed on the filter aid. Rarely the filters are the source of the contamination such as soluble iron, salt, and which can provoke the degradation of the sensitive reagent. Next is the handling of the filter aid. Filter aid may be used in the either or the both two ways. Pre-coating techniques by forming a pre-coat over the filter medium and by filtering a suspension of the filter aid. Second is the body mix technique. A small proportion of the filter aid 0.1 to 0.5% is added to the slurry and to be filtered, and the slurry is recirculated through the filter until a clear filtrage is the obtained. Filtration then proceeds to completion. Different flow rate can be achieved depending on the grade of aid. Low flow rate, fine grade filter aids mainly used for clarity. Fast flow rate is the coarse grade material, the filter aid, acceptable filter rate. Examples of the filter aids are the diatomite, cassicular, and obtained from the natural siliceous deposits. Perlite, it is an the aluminum salicylate, cellulose, asbestos, charcoal, talc, bentonite, fuller's earth, etc. Classification of the filtration equipment based on the application of external forces. The filters, the pressure filters, vacuum filters, centrifugal filters. Pressure filters are the two types, plates and the frame filter press, meta filters. Vacuum filter are the filter leaf and centrifugal filter are the centrifuge. Based on the operation of the filtration filters, continuous there are the continuous filtration, discontinuous filtration, and the continuous filtration are the discharge and the filtrate are the separated steadily and uninterrupted. Next, the discharge of the filtered solid is intermittent. Filtrate is removed continuously. Operation should be stopped to collect the solid. Based on the nature of filtration, filters are the three types: cake filters, clarifying filters, cross flow filters. Cake filters are the remove large amount of solid. Clarify filters remove the small amount of solid, and cross flow filters feed of the suspension flow under pressure at fairly high velocity across the filter medium. So there are the following classifications of the filtration equipment on the base of the external forces and on the base of the filters and on the base of the clarifying filter. Next is the laboratory scale filtration. In today's class I discuss about the classification of filtration, handling of the filter aid, and what are the filter aids. Thank you for watching.